Good morning students, hope you all are well. So today we are going to discuss the respiration and the nutrition, mode of nutrition of bacteria. So first start with the respiration. So according to the mode of respiration, bacteria are of two types. Okay, so one is aerobic and another is anaerobic. Okay, so aerobic means the bacteria respiring in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic means absence of oxygen. Okay, so each of them can be of two types, obligate and the facultative. Okay, so first is the obligate aerobis. Okay, that means these bacteria can respire only aerobically, means without oxygen they cannot respire. Under anaerobic conditions they get killed or they may die. Okay, so example, that is Bacillus subtilis. So this is an obligate aerobic bacteria. Next is the facultative. Okay, so this type of bacteria, they respire anaerobically under normal conditions, but they can respire aerobically when oxygen is available. When oxygen is available, then they can respire with oxygen, but if no oxygen is there, absence of oxygen, they can respire without oxygen, like most of the photosynthetic bacteria. Next is the obligate anaerobic bacteria. So these bacteria respire only aerobically and they get killed under the presence of oxygen, like the Clostridium. Okay, and the facultative anaerobes, like these bacteria, generally respire aerobically but switch over to the anaerobic mode of respiration if oxygen become deficient. Okay, so that is the Clostridium tetani. So main two types, aerobic and anaerobic, and in aerobic obligate and facultative, and in anaerobic also the same, obligate and anaerobic. Okay, next is the mode of nutrition. So bacteria are of two types, autotropics and heterotrophic. Okay, so autotrophic bacteria, from the name only you can understood that these bacteria prepare their food from the inorganic materials with the help of the solar energy. Okay, or from the oxidative chemical reactions which take place in the surroundings. So the bacteria that make their own food by using the solar energy, they are known as what? The photosynthetic bacteria or the photoautotropic bacteria. Photosynthetic or the photoautotropic bacteria who can produce their own food with the help of solar energy. Okay, whereas the bacteria that use the oxidative chemical energy from some reactions, they are known as chemosynthetic or the chemoautotropic bacteria.